Hey friends, Trisha Clark with Sparkle Farts Paper Crafts, and I have some fun new things to show you today. I got a couple of orders in today, and I just wanted to share them with you. You know, I love color, and I love to add interesting papers to my journals, and so this one, these are a set of rainbow papers that I bought from Kim Evans. She does some really cool, these are homemade washi tapes, and, oh, thank you, Kim. Yes, okay, so here are the rainbow papers that I got from Kim, and I love these stencils. So I coffee dye my own papers, but I don't dye my own or like use stencils, triple dye, some of the other things. I bought some from other ladies. I don't have that skill set. So let me just quickly flip through Kim Evans. These are her rainbow dyed papers. Such a great plethora of colors in here. I love this, like, I don't know, patch, almost like bird nest pattern. I think is super cool. This bright blue will be great for summer. I've got a sunflower journal planned, sunflower fairies, and so some of these yellows will be lovely. This one is gorgeous. You know, I don't do a lot with pinks, but man, that's pretty. I'm gonna have to come up with something, won't I? Look at these stencil patterns. I love how subtle this one is, but it's definitely there and adds something to the page. Oh, Kim, these are just gorgeous. They're absolutely beautiful. I watched your washi tape video the other day. Very cool idea. I haven't tried it yet. I really love these corner stencils. I think these are really fabulous. I love the wide variety of colors. Ooh, look at that bright green. Oh, that'll be fun for a bug journal, won't it? Some more pinks, big flower. Oh my gosh. And this is even better than I imagined. Thank you so much for getting these out to me so quickly. Very different than the papers that I just bought from Debbie Epps. And I love the contrast. I love the variety. This, you know, I think there was a question in one of the groups, what's your style? And I said, mine's eclectic. And I love to have all sorts of varieties of papers and colors in my journals. I'm not real good at neutral. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that. Feels very mermaidish, doesn't it? Oh, so pretty. Kim, thank you so, so much. I can't wait. I can't wait to use these. I think Sunflower Fairies is the first one that's going to come up, and I'm sure this one might work in Aviary of Whispers. So thank you for watching, and go check out Kim Evans. I will tag her channel below. I met her in the Two Sisters Jam Facebook group. If you haven't been in there, awesome group, some talented ladies. And that's where I find so many of these things. Okay, next up is from Margot at Nomadmoonmagic. She does these beautiful hand-drawn papers and then coffee dyes them. Like, I love that these are her artwork. And then she sells them in these packs, and they're just so cool. She does have a few available on Amazon, and she has a YouTube channel. You can find her at youtube.com at didyouart or Nomadmoonmagic on Instagram. Look at these. I love her artwork. Her pencil work is so pretty. And I've just never seen anything else like it, Margot. I've never seen anything else like your work, and I just think it's fabulous. I learned about you through Gail Agostinelli, and now I'm hooked. Oh, I'm so glad you threw this one in there. I was looking at that pack and it stained. Those lobsters, crabs, and the bows. Okay, here are the mushrooms. Oh, so excited. Okay. Let's see, we have one. Okay, so that's, all right, so we have a few different patterns in here of mushrooms. We have this one, this one. Oh, look at this with the snails. This might work great with my Pond Curiosities that I'm working on with Junk Journal Studios kit. Love it. Oh, love that one too. Margot, I love all of them. They're just so cute. You guys may not know this yet because I haven't done a journal, but I'm obsessed with mushrooms and I hoard all the mushroom ephemera. I don't know why I haven't done anything with it yet. It's like I'm just waiting for the right inspiration to come along, but I'm obsessed with mushrooms. Oh. Oh, so sweet. And then you've got this one that goes just almost dainty and very sweet. Love it. I know some people think that mushrooms are more for fall, but I'm obsessed with gnomes and mushrooms year round. So I'm glad that you have these available outside of fall. Oh, so fun. So fun. All right, that's the mushroom pack. Now we're gonna do this, what I think of as like forest and ferns. You can never have too much greenery. I feel like we do so many nature journals, but won't these be fabulous for something tropical? Or dinosaur. Or just a really lovely spring nature. So pretty. I love the variety of colors that you've added into this one, Margot. It's incredible. This is one of your most versatile packs, I think, for sure, at least from what I see out here, or, you know, all the journals that I typically plan have some sort of nature to them. But really, between this and florals, you could use them for just about anything, right? So pretty. Oh, and I did buy your floral pack off of Amazon because it was different than what I saw in your Etsy shop. I didn't show that one though. Wonder if I can grab it real quick. Bet I can. My Margot stash that I had already. Here's the floral pack the other floral pack that I just got from her as well. Again, a huge variety of colors and type of flower. Really covers all the seasons, I think. I love the multicolor of this one. It's so pretty. Very wild flower. Their pricing is very reasonable for 20 sheets of this artistic coffee dyed prints. Very reasonable. And then I might be getting to another floral pack unless this is the same one. Nope, that's the last of that one. And these are other ones that I already had in my stash. And most of these I'm saving for fall and Christmas. Very, very cool. Okay, so the last one I have to show you, I think these are limited. I'm not even sure if she has one left. I've been collecting things to do a Wild West journal. And it's not one that's in progress now, but it's been in the gathering phase for a while. And I saw these and thought they'd be really fun and interesting to add. Very, very pretty. Oh, goodness. These are vellum. I didn't even know that. Wow, these are super cool. I had no idea you had vellum ones in here. Oh, these are gonna be fun. I don't know that I can make these pages in my journal or if I'm gonna have to turn them into ephemera. I want to use all the pieces and I don't want anything to be hidden. Oh, look. The horse and the flowers. Ooh, this one's pretty. I clearly didn't take a close look at all of these when I picked it out. I just saw Wild West and a couple of them and was like, done. These are so cool. Love, love, love. And wait, there's more. Oh yeah, these are gonna make such fun ephemera and maybe smaller pages so I can make them last longer. Ooh, very cool, very cool. Margot, thank you so much, so much. And follow her YouTube channel, you guys. It's been fun. I was watching the other day and learned more about her process when she was going through her journal collection. So I really think you should go check her out, buy some of this amazing coffee dyed paper. And again, that's Margot at Nomadmoonmagic. I hope you guys enjoy seeing the stuff that I have coming in. I just really love to celebrate all the other artists that I see out here, celebrate their talents, because there are things, we're all wired with different gifts, and you guys make my journals so much prettier and interesting. So I don't think I have any other orders coming in. I think it's time to ground myself between flea markets, antique stores, but now I'm all stocked up on the dyed and the coffee dyed papers. So I guess I better get to creating. See you in the next video.